Operation. We have the Operation Tuli. Sino hindi pa natuli dyan? At ako ang mag-opera. We will give ganyan ba yan? Shake before you use. Dang. Let's go. Okay, you hold like this. You hold the head.
Ano ba?
Hawakan mo yung ulo. Ganyan. Okay. And this is the scene. Ano ba itong gagawin? Ano ba ito din?
Didilaan na lang daw niya.
Okay, wait for your turn.
Open your mouth.
Inay. Hey, inga, ganun mo. Okay, open your mouth, buddy. Open your mouth. Okay? Okay, alright. The operation is closed. Ay! Muntik na. Muntik. Okay?
Oo, mukhang ano eh.
Naka-uniform pa ako. Okay? The operation is collapsed. You can go outside. Thank you very much. Take care. Okay, tapos na tayo sa ating operation. Operation Tuli.